Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this episode we're going to be looking at installing VMware tools on a Linux distribution. Now it's important to understand that this is going to be for Alma Linux and other CentOS kind of Red Hat enterprise distributions, but I'm pretty sure if you are using Ubuntu and all of that lot, a quick Google will actually kind of help you with that. As well as knowing how to replace DNF with YARM or wget, whatever you need to use for that. But this is specifically for CentOS and other Alma Linux and Red Hat Enterprise Linux distributions. So as you can see here, VMware Tools is not installed on this virtual machine. Now if we're using a Windows Server one, we can just click on Install VMware Tools, go to the virtual machine and go to the CD drive, and we'll find all the installation files. Of course on Linux it's a little bit more complex. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the virtual machine here, which I'm using VMware remote console for, and I am going to type in the following command: DNF install, and then I'm going to type in open, if I can type today, which I can't do, open open vm-tools. Now if I've got the desktop, i.e. the GUI interface with GNOME, I would type in -desktop. However, because we're using the CLI, we installed the minimal. The video for that should be floating around. The link to it should be floating around, but there is a link in the description. We're just going to type in open VM tools and then push enter, and as you can see it's connected to the internet. It is downloading the packages, and I'm just going to type yes to install the packages, and there we go. Is this okay? Yes, it is. Now you don't necessarily have to reboot the machine. However, what I tend to do is just type in reboot, and then it just makes sure that it loads everything as required. And what should happen now is when I go back to my vCenter, we can see that the message has gone, and we're just going to give it a couple of minutes to sort itself out. Just going to hit refresh there, and it's not working. Why isn't it working? It should work. And then after a short while, as you can see, it's now talking to vCenter, and then we've got the DNS name, and we've got the IP address and the host as well. What that does also do is it gives us a couple more options up here, and yeah. So it's not a necessity to install VMware tools, but if you are looking at how to do it on a Linux distribution, especially a Red Hat Enterprise Linux distribution, yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this useful, as always, please hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then you'll never miss a video from myself. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year to you all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching now. Bye.